Welcome to Build Wealth Wise. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of lithium, the next big opportunity in 2024. While copper has been in the spotlight due to its critical role in the EV industry, it's lithium, often called white gold, that's driving the technological revolution. Recently, a $1 trillion lithium discovery was made in the deserts of Nevada, highlighting the immense potential and urgency surrounding this resource. Lithium is the key component in lithium-ion batteries, powering everything from smartphones to EVs and renewable energy systems. As we shift towards cleaner energy, the demand for lithium is set to soar. According to Bloomberg NIF, lithium demand is expected to grow over fivefold by 2030, driven primarily by the EV market. In 2023, the global lithium market was valued at $31.75 billion, and by 2030, it's projected to reach $74.80 billion. The recent discovery in Nevada could be a game-changer. It underscores the strategic importance of domestic lithium production, potentially reducing U.S. reliance on foreign sources and enhancing economic security. Given the growing demand and strategic importance of lithium, investing in this sector presents a lucrative opportunity. Here are 4 potential lithium stocks to consider for 2024. Number 1. Albemarle Corporation NYSE AL. A global leader in lithium production, Albemarle is strategically positioned with extensive operations in the US, Australia, and Chile. Despite a challenging year, the company reported a 20% increase in lithium production in 2023, with ambitious plans for future growth. Number 2. SQM NYSE SQM. As one of the world's largest lithium producers, SQM is focused on significant capacity expansions in Chile. With a new deal with the Chilean government, SQM is set to increase its lithium extraction capabilities substantially. Number 3. Livent Corporation NYSE LTHM. Specializing in high-quality lithium compounds, Livent is poised for growth with projected revenues between $1,025 million and $1,125 million for 2024. Number 4. Piedmont Lithium Nasdaq PLL. With a strategic focus on supporting the North American supply chain, Piedmont is expected to produce 30,000 tons of lithium hydroxide per year by 2025, making it a key player in the U.S. market. The discovery of a massive lithium deposit in Nevada and the surging global demand for lithium highlight the metal's critical role in our future. Investing in companies like Albemarle, SQM, Livent, and Piedmont presents a compelling opportunity as we transition to a sustainable energy landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Happy investing! For more insights, visit our website and subscribe to our free newsletter. Together, we build wealth wisely. Stay informed, stay invested, and let's build a better future together.